Welcome to our latest podcast episode, Inspiring Chandelier Ideas for Bedroom Decor. Elevate your space. Whether you're redesigning your bedroom or simply looking for that perfect statement piece, this episode is packed with elegant, creative, and functional chandelier ideas to transform your space. From modern minimalism to timeless glamour, discover expert tips and inspiring designs that will help you bring warmth, luxury, and personality into your bedroom. Tune in and let your ceiling shine. When it comes to bedroom decor, a chandelier can truly transform the space. Not only does it provide light, but it also adds a touch of elegance and personality. Whether you want something modern, vintage, or a bit quirky, there are chandelier ideas for bedroom that can suit any style. In this article, we'll explore various chandelier options and how to incorporate them into your bedroom decor to make it feel like a cozy sanctuary. Key takeaways. Choose a chandelier that fits the size and height of your room. Consider your bedroom's overall style when selecting a chandelier. Explore unique and customizable chandelier options for a personal touch. Layer different light sources to enhance the room's ambience. Plan the installation carefully, and don't hesitate to hire a professional if needed. Assessing room size and ceiling height. Marrying style with decor. Addressing lighting needs. Unique chandeliers for personal touch. Incorporate vintage finds. Select eclectic designs. For more inspiring chandelier ideas to elevate your bedroom decor, check out the blog post linked below. Thank you.